I go bottling, pouring the contents of the beer. This is the Cooper's Lager into a bucket where I mixed it with sugar. So I put 150 grams mixed with like about 300 ml of water in there, warmed it up to 50-60 degrees, get it to mix, and then I put it to the bottom of the bucket. Now it's mixing, and you can see some carbonation even in there. Pretty cool. So that's 23 liters of the Cooper's Lager DIY, and I added 500 grams of dried malt extract and 500 grams of dextrose to this mix. I didn't use the enhancer. If I did, I'd use Cooper's Enhancer 2 for this, because I think it is 50-50 plus another piece that they add for head. But yeah, this is about 2.5 weeks old. It's been fermenting in there for 2.5 weeks. You can see all the yeast at the bottom there, which I will save a little bit of that for, you could reuse it for another batch. The yeast, you don't have to purchase more yeast, but it's good for a month in the fridge. I want to see if I don't use it, I don't use it, but I'll save it just in case. So that's it. I have the bottler, capper bottles. I have some Grolsch bottles too, some regular bottles that I cap. This is my previous batch. This is the Festa Brew Pale Ale. It's about a week in priming. So use this magic wand to fill up each bottle. And then I brought a cup so I can try some. Cheers.